To enable or disable guided access on iPhone 17e, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in the Settings, we're gonna proceed to Accessibility, scroll down, and you should be able to find Guided Access. Now in here, we can just simply enable or disable this option just by tapping on this switcher. Over here, we can read that Guided Access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. And in order to start Guided Access, we need to triple click the side button in the app you want to use. By the way, it is also recommended to go to passcode settings, and you can set up the Guided Access passcode if you wish to use a different passcode over here. You can also use Face ID to be able to unlock the phone afterwards. So now that the Guided Access is on, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the App Store, for example. Let's quickly go over here, and now let's press the side button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There we go, we have accessibility shortcuts. In my case, there is also the voiceover, but I'm gonna choose the Guided Access. There we go. Now we should be able to press Start. Also, before we actually start, here we can circle areas on the screen you would like to disable. So, let's say we're gonna circle this area over here. We can still adjust it if needed. There we go. So now this area should be inaccessible. So let's see if that is the case. There are also session settings, so keep that in mind. So we're gonna press Start. We need to enter the passcode to the Guided Access. There we go. And now we have started Guided Access. So as you can see, there's also this area inaccessible. We can see that circle, so I cannot really do anything with it. And that is pretty much it. We should not be able to exit the app until the Guided Access is disabled, which we can do by triple pressing the side button. Let's give it a try again. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Enter the passcode for the Guided Access, and we can end it over here in the upper left corner. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.